Hi friends, welcome back to Stellar Studies and I'm Leila, and today we are going to see some fast calculation tricks in multiplication and square of a number, and also numbers with all lines 9, 99, 999 like that. So let's look into the session. So friends, so let's start with multiplication tricks. So fast multiplication tricks, let's start with numbers near to 100. For suppose take 99 into 95. So a trick with numbers near to the 100, its answer is okay. So 99 into 95 is equal to 9405. So it is fast multiplication trick. So what is the trick behind this? And also let's look into another multiplication near to 100. It is below 100, right? Now we will see above 100. So 112 into 104. So I am writing random numbers like this, and I am writing the answer. So it is the answer for 112 into 104. So it is a very fast multiplication. Actually it takes more time, but we can simplify it like this. So now I am going to explain the trick behind this. So please look it very carefully. So I have written some number like 97 into 98. These are very near to 100, right? So first we have to check if both the numbers are below 100, then how much they are less than 100. For suppose here 97 is 3 numbers less than 100. So we will write 3 here. And 98 is only 2 numbers less than 100. We will keep this 100 here on mind. So here 97 is 3 numbers less than 100 and 98 is 2 numbers less than 100. So we will write this 3 and 2 here, and we will multiply this. 3 2s are 6. Then the answer is single digit. We have to keep 0 behind this. Okay, 0 behind this. And after that we have to deduct either 2 from 97 or 3 from 98. Both the answers will be same, 95. So that's the multiplier. 97 into 98 is equal to 9506. Okay, this is the short trick behind numbers below 100 and very near to 100. Okay, so later on we will see general multiplication. So let's do for another numbers. Say for suppose 91 into 99. So 91 into 99. Again it is 9 numbers less than 100 and it is only 1 number less than 100. So we will again write 0 and 9 because 9 ones are 9, and I said to keep this 0 behind one digit. And after that, so 91, deduct 91, 1 from 91 or 9 from 99. The answer will be 90. So the answer is 9009 is the multiply of 91 into 99. So this is the short trick for calculations, and again we will see when there will be a 2 digits. So let's check. So take 94 into 93. So what is the answer for this? Again it is 6 numbers less than 100. Okay, and this is 7 numbers less than 100. What is the multiplication of 6 and 7? That is 42. We will write 42 here, and deduct 7 from 94 or 6 from 93. The answer is 87. So multiplication of 94 into 93 is equal to 8742. That is the answer. Very quick fast calculation. The numbers less than 100. Okay, so now we will see the trick for numbers greater than 100. Okay, keep again 100 in your mind. For suppose 104 into 106 multiplication. So here when both the numbers are greater than 100, we have to check that how much they are more than 100. So here 104 is 4 more than 100. I am writing this 4 here, and 106 is 6 more than 100. Again I am writing the 6 here. So again we have to do the multiplication of 4 and 6, that is 24, right? Now in the case of numbers less than 100, that is nearer to 100, we have deducted this number from this and this number from this, like this cross. Now we have to add either these two numbers or these two numbers, 104 plus 6 or 106 plus 4. The answer is 110. So 104 into 106 is equal to 11024. Okay, so this is the short trick for numbers greater than 100 and very near to 100. And let's see another calculation like this. For suppose 112 into 108. Okay, so I am taking the bigger numbers here. These are also near to 100 only. So this is 12 greater than 100 and this is 8 greater than 100. What is the multiplication of 12 8s are? 12 8s are is 76. So we will write this 76 here. Okay. And so sorry, 12 8s are 96, not 76. 12 8s are 96. And so we have to add 112 plus 8 or 108 plus 12. The answer is 120. So the multiplication of 112 into 108 is equal to 12096. That's the answer. And this is the short tricks for 100 for numbers greater than 100 multiplication. So again we will see another number. 110 into 109. Okay. Multiplication these two numbers. So the 110 is 10 more than 100 and 109 is 9 more than 100. We have to first multiply these two. The answer is 90. Okay. And now we have to add either these two or either these two. Add. We have to add, not multiplication. So 110 plus 9 is equals to 119. The answer is 110 into 109 is equal to 11990. Okay. This is a short trick for multiplication of the numbers greater than 100. Now there is another complication in this. For suppose let's check like this numbers. The numbers in 3 digits, 112 into 109. Okay, so when we multiply, this is a 12 more than 100 and this is again 9 more than 100, right? So when we multiply these two, the answer is 108, right? So we should not write this 108 here. We have to just write 0 and 8. We have to keep here 1 on upwards, and again now we have to add these two or these two. The answer will be 121. Okay, and again we have to add this 1 to this 121, then the answer will become 122. So the multiplication of 112 times 109 is equal to 12208. We can you can also check in calculator. This is the short trick. So another we will see another number in which these two numbers multiplication will be more than 100. So for example 109 times 120. Okay, so 109 times 120. So here it is 9 more than 100 and it is 20 more than 100. Okay, so what is the multiplication of these two numbers? Is 180. Okay, 180. So again we have to write this only 80, 2 digits, 80 here, and we have to take this one upon here, carry on, and now we have to add these two numbers. It will become 129, right? It will become 129 by adding up these two numbers, and we have to again add this 1 to this 129, then it will become 130. So the multiplication of 109 into 120 is equal to 13,080. That's it. This is the short trick for calculation of numbers near 100. Okay, so we will see a general multiplication method. There will be no connection between the numbers, but the numbers are less than 100, not greater than 100. It is the general multiplication trick. You can apply this anywhere. Okay, now let's check out. So I am taking numbers like 24 into 78. Okay, these are not matching anywhere. So I am taking this 78 and 24. Okay, we have to multiply these two numbers. So there is no link between these two numbers, not near to 100 or greater than 100, like there is no link. So what we have to do here is we have to first multiply these two. 4 times 8 is 32, right? We have to just write 2 here and leave this 3 here, and now we have to multiply these two and these two, and we have to add it. So 7 4s are 28, 2 8s are 16. Addition of both these numbers will lead to 44. Okay, so 44, and now 44 again we have to add 3 to this 44, then it will become 47. Okay, now we have to write this 7 here and leave this 4 here only. Now we have to multiply these two. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Okay, 18. So the answer for 78 into 24 is equal to 1872. You can also check in calculator. So again we are doing another problem with smaller numbers. Like we will do 73 into 82. Okay, so what is the calculation trick here? We have to do this 2 with this 6. We have to do with this multiplications. So 2 3s are 6. When there are no double digits like 12 or 99 or 84 or any double digits, we have to take only first single digit in this general multiplication method. But behind trick, that is the numbers near to 100 or numbers greater than 100 and near to 100, then we have to take 2 digits in case if there is. Okay, so we have to take only 1 digit. If the answer is 1 digit, then there is no need to do nothing more. And now we have to multiply these two and these two, and we have to add it. 2 7s are 14 and 8 3s are 24. So 14 plus 24 is equal to 38. Now we have to take only 8 here, and we have to leave these 3 here only. So now 8 7s are 56, right? 56 plus 3 we have to do, that is 59. The answer is 5986. If we multiply 73 and 82, we get 5986. So friends, this is the first part of the fast calculation methods and multiplication methods, and in the next one we will see continuation of this. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.